Experiencing issues with your Tesla Model 3's vanity mirror lights? This video will guide you through diagnosing and fixing the most common problems. We'll cover everything from simple software glitches to bulb and wiring issues, ensuring you can identify the root cause and find a solution. As of 2026, Tesla's software updates can often resolve these issues, but hardware checks are still sometimes necessary. Let's get started. Before diving into hardware, let's rule out software problems. Navigate to Controls, Lights, Vanity Mirror on your Tesla's touchscreen. Ensure the Auto On-Off feature is enabled and brightness is properly adjusted. A common fix is simply rebooting your Tesla. This can resolve temporary firmware glitches. Tesla's V12.5.1 update, late 2025, includes enhanced lighting system checks in the service menu, so check for updates and run diagnostics. The vanity mirror lights in Tesla Model 3 consist of several key components that work together to provide illumination. Let's break down the system step by step. First, there's an LED bulb that's integrated into the sun visor assembly. This is a low-voltage, surface-mounted device that provides the actual light. Second, a button or sensor triggers the illumination. This can be a capacitive button on the visor or an automatic sensor that detects when the visor is lowered. The LED is low voltage and connects to the car's 12 volts electrical system, drawing minimal current to avoid battery drain. Wiring runs through the visor harness and connects to the body control module, or BCM, which manages the system's operation. Here's a technical drawing showing the sun visor and mirror assembly, highlighting how the components fit together. And here are examples of the LED bulbs used in the system. Surface-mounted devices with heat sinks for proper cooling. Problems with the vanity mirror lights can stem from bulb failure, loose wiring connections, or software malfunctions that affect how the BCM controls the lights. If software isn't the cause, the LED bulb itself may be failing. Symptoms include dim lighting or the lights not working at all. These LED bulbs are designed as sealed units integrated into the visor hinge, drawing minimal current from the 12-volt system. LED bulbs can degrade over time, particularly in high heat environments. They typically last 50,000 to 100,000 hours, but high temperatures can cause earlier failure through LED chip degradation. Unfortunately, these bulbs are not designed for easy user replacement. They are sealed to prevent tampering and require specialized tools and knowledge to access. For bulb replacement, contact Tesla service. The procedure involves removing the sun visor and typically costs between $50 and $100, though it may be covered under warranty for newer vehicles. Loose wiring or corroded connections can interrupt the electrical flow to the vanity mirror lights. Start by inspecting the wiring harness inside the sun visor for any visible damage or loose connectors that might be causing the issue. Corrosion on connectors is especially common in humid climates where moisture can build up and create resistance in the electrical path. This prevents proper power delivery to the LED bulb. Use a multimeter to perform electrical tests. Check for continuity in the wiring, aiming for less than 1 ohm of resistance, and verify voltage at the bulb reads approximately 12 volts when the light should be activated. If corrosion is found, cleaning the connectors with dielectric grease can help restore electrical contact and prevent future moisture damage. This non-conductive grease protects while allowing proper signal flow. Tesla's mobile app includes self-diagnostic tools that allow owners to check their vehicle's systems without visiting a service center. The app connects to your Model 3 and runs automated tests for various components, including lighting systems. An OBD2 scanner compatible with Tesla vehicles can read specific diagnostic codes. These scanners connect to the vehicle's port and provide detailed error information from the body control module. Specific fault codes help identify the issue. For example, U01000 indicates communication problems between modules. These codes distinguish between hardware failures like faulty sensors or wiring and software glitches. In 2026, Tesla's app features AI-assisted diagnostics that analyze patterns in your vehicle's data. This predictive technology can alert you to potential failures before they occur, with 60% more accuracy than traditional methods. Real-world case studies demonstrate the variety of vanity mirror light issues and their solutions in Tesla Model 3 vehicles. These examples show how problems can range from software glitches to hardware failures. In our first case, a Florida owner faced vanity lights failing after a rainstorm. Diagnostics revealed no wiring problems, but a body control module error indicated sensor miscalibration. A simple over-the-air software update from Tesla recalibrated the system, restoring full functionality. This highlights how environmental factors can trigger software bugs that are easily fixed. The second case involves a 2020 Model 3 with 100,000 miles experiencing dim vanity lights from LED bulb degradation. The owner followed a repair guide to disassemble the sun visor and replace the bulb for about $80. After the fix, the vehicle passed all Tesla diagnostic checks, emphasizing the need for periodic inspections in high-mileage vehicles. Our final case study features a 2023 Model 3 with intermittent vanity lights caused by corrosion on the visor hinge connector, a common issue in humid or coastal environments. The owner cleaned the connector with dielectric grease and resealed it, costing less than $20. This simple preventive maintenance resolved the problem and is widely recommended in Tesla owner forums. These case studies illustrate that vanity mirror light problems can stem from software, bulb degradation, or wiring issues. Most are resolvable with updates or simple repairs, underscoring the importance of proper diagnostics.